some of the crypto products I personally own in my portfolio. These are my crypto holdings. Because why buying cryptos? There are certain things you have to know before you buy some. My name is Michael Karimo, a digital asset manager, a crypto coach, a crypto preacher, and a spot trader, an investor, crypto investor. Here we expose you to digital asset that you can take advantage of and multiply your capital. So you have to take advantage of this. Today we'll be sharing with you some of the crypto products, some of the crypto holdings we have in our portfolio, some of the crypto products we have in our portfolio. We'll be exposing you to them. Because why coming to crypto, why buying the crypto products? There are certain things, there are certain features, there are certain characteristics you need to watch out for, you need to know, you need to look into before buying into those products. So today I will be sharing with you some of the holdings I have in my portfolio, some of these products I own in my portfolio. And number one on our list is Bitcoin. Why I love Bitcoin is because of its nature. Bitcoin has a finite nature. There will be 21 million Bitcoin, and after then there will be no other Bitcoin mine. After then you will see the price would have gone to millions, because that is how it is designed. Bitcoin is digital gold, which makes it very important. The value you bought it this year, not the value it will be tomorrow. So I believe at the end of it, Bitcoin will be the world currency, because it's fading, and Bitcoin is an asset, is the number one performing asset in the world. That's why I love it. Number one performing asset in the world over the last 10 years. So Bitcoin is the number one performing asset, and that's why I feel it is very important to own a small fraction of this asset. I believe it's very important as an investor to own a little of this asset in your portfolio. I personally feel Bitcoin, after it has exhausted its supply, Bitcoin, then we will see how the Bitcoin matrix really work. After it is mined, after 2035, that Bitcoin, there will be no more Bitcoin, or 99% of Bitcoin would have been mined. Then you see the Bitcoin will hit the million zone, no more the 1,000 zone. So I feel the scarcity of it gives it this swagger, gives it this leading edge to lead the crypto world. So Bitcoin is number one on our list. If you don't have Bitcoin, I seek you have some portion of it, because at the end, when Bitcoin is finite, there'll be no more Bitcoin. Then if you want to buy, you have to buy at the market price then, and the market price then will be millions. So if you want to know the next on our list, don't go nowhere. Catch up on the next video where we expose you to the next on our list.